This is a Yoni Soap tutorial. Now, in this tutorial, I'm going to be making 3 different kinds with the same ingredients. It's going to be 3 different designs. I hope you guys enjoy Yoni Soap tutorial. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Okay, what we're going to be using is calendula, rose, and peach blossoms. They're going to be 3 different type unique Yoni soaps that we're about to be doing. All with the same ingredients, just different dried flower.
Okay, what you're going to get is a bowl, a glass. A bowl like this. This is a measuring cup. You can get this at your local grocery store or places like Family Dollar, Walmart, places like that. Make sure it's glass because you're going to have to cut your soap and put it in there. Now, I'm not going to cut that much soap because it's a tutorial. And I don't like having a lot on hand. So, we're just going to cut a little bit for the tutorial. Get my gloves. Okay, I want to direct your attention to the soap and the cutting process. We'll spray alcohol in this. Make sure it's sanitized. I'm going to cut about this much off. You don't need to use a lot of soap. You will learn it working with it. I'm going to cut the pieces down pretty small because it takes a while to melt. That's why I'm doing a video tutorial, because going live, I'm going to be watching for a long time. And I know me, I like to get straight to the point. It's going to turn out to be a lot of soap, so I won't use that much. See how much soap that cuts up? It's a lot. I might not need all of this, but I want to use it all if I do. I hate wasting product. Oh, then I'm a soap now. It's just soap, I'm tripping. Now we're gonna melt this down.
I just chopped down the soap into little small cubes. See how small I chopped those down into. Now we're going to do the double boil method to melt it. Make sure no water gets in your product. And you're going to wait till this melt down. It doesn't take long. While it's melting, you're going to be constantly stirring. I'm going to show you that process once it starts melting down. You can see now that a lot of it has melted down. Now you can see how easy it has melted down. Constantly stir it while it's melting. Then after it's done boiling, we're going to add our essential oils. Isn't that beautiful? It's a slow process, but it's worth it because you know it's all natural and it has essential oils and all natural oils in it. And that's if you decide to put oils in your batch. Now, we're gonna spray, this is alcohol. We're gonna spray our base. Sanitization, and no bubbles. We're gonna let that dry a little bit. And we're gonna decorate our soaps while that still melts on the stove. Now y'all know calendula is good, right? So we're gonna decorate some of this with some calendula. I'm gonna do 2 of each for the tutorial. And I'll have to do the rest. These are the rosebuds. Little girl love roses in her soap. Try to put it in like here in each corner and make it look pretty. And you know, peach blossoms. Now we're gonna, let me see. We still got some melting to do. Now this is the creative part. I'm going to be adding vitamin E. Don't add too much oils to your soap, or they won't lather as good. I'm going to add lavender. This is my lavender. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, that's about 12. That's not 10. Oh, it smells good already. I'm going to add tea tree oil for antibacterial and antifungal. And my absolute best is Rose Absolute Essential Oil. I love this one because it smells so good. It smells so good. Oh, it smells so good. We're going to give this a good stir. It's already trying to form. Let's give this a good stir. Now make sure wherever you get your oils from that they can be on the skin and all of that. I'm about to add coconut oil to this too. Just give me 1 second. I had to warm it up. Now, I'm not going to add that much coconut oil, but you know coconut oil is good for your lady parts. Now, are y'all ready to decorate this with a little pinkish color? So I got some mica powder I'm gonna put in here before it starts forming. Soap making is so much fun, you guys. We don't want it too pink. We want to still have like a little clear to it. So you can see the flowers in it. I'm gonna give this a good stir. Hopefully I won't have to double boil it again. This is gonna be pretty. Oh, make sure that your mica powder is good for the skin too. Don't just get anything to color your soap with. Make sure it's some good mica powder. Do your research on where to get it. Also gonna put it in the group where to get it. But I use Mania mica powder set. That's what I use. But it's a lot of good ones out there with a lot of good pretty colors. Isn't that pretty, you guys? Look at that. That's beautiful. Okay, now, final part. Let's move this to the side for a second. Oh, it's kind of still hot. Let's put that up here. Now, let's get to pouring. Hold on. I need something to put around that cup handle. It seems like my table a little crooked. I'm hoping not. table look crooked. I'm gonna have to move this back a little. And I don't want to move it. You know what? I'm not gonna move it. Something's crooked right here. And you don't have to use the flowers that I'm using. But you can decorate your soaps any way you like. Oh yeah, it's crooked. Oh well. Y'all know the basis of it though. It's nothing but flowers. But yes, that's how you do it. Try to fill these up. You hate when they be not enough. And then this one over here looks like too much. But once they form, I'll be back to show you how pretty it is. After I get the packaging and stuff. But that's how I make my Yoni soap. And then I'm going to come back every time to make more recipes for you guys. I'm going to have to put this Yoni soap right here in a form before I make this form. So y'all have a blessed and beautiful day. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Don't forget to spray your tops so the bubbles didn't go away. This is another one. This is a massage bar I made with flowers. Isn't that so pretty?
Are we going in there to defeat the demon? Or to save the girl? Both. If I'm a holy water, the girl will. This is as far as you go, Colonel. Well, you said this is not your vow. I took a vow to join your cause. I release you from your vow. There is no shame. Honor is not a thing to be dismissed.